consultant or senior consultant, after examining you and being convinced that you need to be referred abroad, also communicates with the facility that he would like you to go to. We have an inventory of facilities that are authentic and accredited, and then gets the costs of the treatment. Thereafter, that consultant or senior consultant fills in a referral form and sends to the medical board with a letter requesting that this client of mine deserves to be referred abroad. The board, upon receipt of that request and the forms, will then summon the consultant or senior consultant to come and defend his issue, why your client should be referred abroad and why your client should not be managed within the country after checking the inventory of services that we have in the country. Therefore, the decision to go abroad by the two honorable members was their own decision, and it has nothing to do with the medical